So what's up guys, it's a boy CHISHI vlogs, and it's been a long time, like it's been a week that I haven't uploaded a video on YouTube. So I just want to let you guys know that I'm gonna do a giveaway once again. I'm gonna do a giveaway, and then before that I want to congratulate the last giveaway winner, that is Yulo, Becca, and Shenzi. Those three are the winners for the highest like in comment sections. So right now, let's do this. The giveaway that I'll be doing today is for girls, and boys can take part in it as well, because even boys do have a girlfriend, so they can take part in this giveaway, to give their girlfriend, yes, to give their girlfriend. And then so the prize pool won't be cash this time. The prize pool will be snail cream giveaway, Korean snail cream giveaway, which is very much popular nowadays, and it's been very effectively working on so many people, and then many of them are using it. I don't know about others, but as for my information, I do know that it's a very popular brand, like snail cream मतलब snail cream आता है, मतलब it's a very good product. So I'm gonna do that giveaway. And so for the all, let's go for the rules of giveaway. So first, you have to be my subscriber. Second, you have to share this video on your Facebook or Instagram. मतलब, am I clear enough? Like, first you have to be my subscriber. Second, you have to share this video on your Facebook or Instagram with link. I repeat again, with link. And third, you have to comment your name on this YouTube video comment section, and then you have to get likes. You have to bring up likes, like it will be like most like comment section, but it's more like a little bit different. Yeah, a little bit different. So that's all. That's the thing. Three rules. Simple: subscriber, share, and comment. And this time I'll be checking each and every rules, because last time some of them did mistake, and then but still then I did mistake as well. So that's a quick cut. But this time there is no mistake. And so just to clarify things, this is the one, and ignore that because that's more extra hai. So that's all. Let's do this, and then boys and girls can take part in it. Boys can take part for their girlfriend, and girls can take part for themselves. So let's get the party started, and then all the best to all of you. And I'll be doing a lot of giveaway. Like I'll be doing a lots bigger, much bigger giveaway. So keep supporting, and then one day you might win something great. So it's a boy, and then we'll catch up on the next video. And do check out my live stream as well, because I do a lot of live stream right now nowadays. And then I will select some people from the live stream, and then I'll do a spin wheel, and then I'll do a giveaway as well. So do check out my live stream as well. I play games. I'm not a pro player, but still then I play more like fun. So do join my live stream. And that's all for today. Thank you all of you for your love and support. and I'm a new YouTuber. So please, if sometimes if my word hurts you, then I'm really sorry for that. But it's just I'm new in this, so I don't know each and every I don't know how to do it. So please, sorry from my end, and please forgive me. uh, I'm telling you again and again and again, but still then, like, support, subscribe, share, everything. And bye bye. Continue.